Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the Rebreather in Subnautica 2. This is going to allow you to conserve some oxygen when diving deeper, so you'll last a longer time underwater. So to begin, we want to go from the life pod towards southwest or south direction, about 250 meters. Here you should find a cliff, as I'm going to show you in a little while, just like this. About 150 meters towards southwest direction, there's going to be this giant cliff. Don't worry, there is nothing dangerous around here. And you want to go around this corner right here, and you should find an old outpost, old habitat building. And in here you should find the Rebreather right on the right side from the entrance. So you can go ahead and pick out your scanner and scan it. This is going to unlock the blueprint for the Rebreather. And as for the materials that you will need for the Rebreather, you'll need fiber mesh, which can be crafted from some fiber, and strong acid. The strong acid can be made inside of the processor from some nacrylate cysts. You can find how to get the strong acid and nacrylate cyst on my channel, so make sure to check it out. And secondly, you'll need some fiber. Fiber can be made from fibrous pulp, and fibrous pulp can be gathered from many plants using the survival multi-tool. You can just scan around the beginning shallow biome, and for example, this plant right here, which is the whip gorgon, you can just pick out your survival multi-tool and cut it with it, and you'll get some fibrous pulp. Then you can craft the fiber and fiber mesh. The second ingredient you'll need for the Rebreather is system chip. System chip can be made from firing kit, which is made from silver and copper wire. Copper wire can be made from some copper, which is found on the ceiling of caves, and silver can be found by traveling towards north-northwest direction about 200 to 300 meters and finding a kind of cave inside of a biome where you'll see some pink corals. You should find some silver inside of the cave. That is the nearest cave that I've found. And as for the system chip itself, you'll need some quartz, and quartz is usually found inside of these coral domes that you see on the screen. So once you've gathered all the materials, you can go ahead and craft the Rebreather, and once you've crafted it, it is going to automatically be placed onto your slot. So this is pretty much all, how to get the Rebreather and all of its ingredients. So make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.